Did you know there's another way to view your records in the cases list view? You can see them as tiles. And yes, you can configure the tiles as an admin. On the admin page, towards the bottom of the page, is an option for tile view settings. And you can pick any of the modules that are available at the top. 4 are there by default, but you can pick other modules. In our case, we're going to configure cases. We're going to sort by the status, and we're going to remove rejected and duplicate statuses. Then we can add additional values in the actual tile. In this case, we added the assigned to and saved it. Then we go back to the tile view. In cases, we can see that the new tile now has who is assigned to that particular case.